Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can buy and sell on your MetaTrader 5 app. To do so, first of all, just make sure your device has a stable Wi-Fi connection, and after making sure of that, open up your MetaTrader 5 app, and after your app opens up, you'll be on the quotes tab of your MetaTrader 5. Here you can see an option for trade on the bottom of the screen. Now go on to trade, and after that you can see a plus icon on the top right side of your screen. If you go onto that icon, it will take you to this screen where now you are able to buy and sell any kind of crypto of your choice. And if you want to change your crypto, you can also do so by clicking the dollar sign on the top right side of the screen, and it will show you these options to freely choose you from. And now that's how you can buy and sell on MetaTrader 5. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find the video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.